Rosie?
Well, I was just thinking. You know how little children are scared of the EAS?
No. What is the EAS?
The EAS stands for Emergency Alert System. It is used for telling people when there is danger around, such as a tornado, hurricanes, and more. Do you get it now?
Yes, I get it now. That's cool. But what did you have in mind?
Well, I don't know about you, but I want to go down to the Turner Broadcasting Company and take control, and make a fake EAS. UN.
Oh yes. Let's go.
Alright. I will make the text and sound effect and stuff. You be the voice person. Okay.
Alright.
Let's watch some TV. He said it like, oh my god. Frick you, John. Really? No. Well, if I did not turn this to anything, it's you. Well, crap. Wait. What's this text on the button say? This was a scam. Some ginger hair girl hacked the site and please ground her, it was too. Sorry for this, Rosie and Daisy. Get down here now. Ooh. Rosie and Daisy. How dare you make a fake EAS that's so like freaking it. You're grounded for R68, R578, Ray 568, R560, 80, 50, 80, 60, 80, 46, E647, E467, E467, E47, E47, E57, R67, R570, 85, 70, 80, 56, 85, E86, E560, 85, 86, E86 years. Now go to your rooms right fucking now.